Why our pellet machine is expensive, but you should buy from us. Hello my friend, this is Jack. We are pellet machine manufacturer in China. This is our flat die pellet machine. Flat die pellet mill is the ultimate solution for easy and efficient wood pellet production for home use. As the original manufacturer, we offer customized motors, specializing in the efficient horizontal model. Our pellet mill is versatile, accommodating a wide range of materials, perfect for wood pellet making capacity below 1 ton per hour. Quality is our priority. Every flat die and rollers are produced by us, ensuring strict quality control. Crafted from durable 20 krumti, our flat die undergo a precise process, including forging, rough turning, precision machining, CNC drilling, and carburized heat treatment. This results in a hardness of 55 to 60, ensuring longevity. Precision, the dual-sided structure allows for extended use, minimizing maintenance costs. Customize your pellet size with diameter in 4/6, 0.8 of a millimeter. The press roller, also made from 20 CRM NTI, undergoes forging, rough turning, precision machining, gear rolling, drilling, and carburized heat treatment, ensuring an extended lifespan compared with other suppliers. Our main shaft undergoes careful processing, including rough turning, tempering, precision machining, and milling. This guarantees a uniform internal structure, doubling the lifespan. The hardened tooth surface gearbox improves efficiency and extends the pellet mill's life. The automatic independent lubrication pump further enhances bearing lifespan. With electrical components from reputable brands like Chint or Delixi, our pellet mill guarantees top-notch performance with robust after-sales support. If you are interested in our pellet machine, contact with us freely.